Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. Yes, the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday, April the 30th, 2024. I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it Cyberblock. In Japanese, Suguru. But you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8457. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. And now, between two O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Here. And now. I'm stuck. Well. Between the O's. Overlooked. Between the O's comes a 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. And we have 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Double check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct in 3 minutes. Whoa! It's a sprint at the end. The end was a sprint, but we solved it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. The last puzzle is a Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.